Oh no. Where am I? Hello? Oh, there we go. Hello. Uh, welcome, DCD, Captain, Ellie, Snacko, who was not first, but redeemed first. Washa, Bill, Koja. Hello. Yes. I finished my outfit. Oh, is this the point where I should I show it off? I guess people. It's been long enough that people haven't seen this. How do I? Let me. I guess I'll just go right here, and then yes, this is the model I was working on. It's me. Zoom out and then go up and zoom out. No, yeah. It, mm-hmm. That's good enough. Yeah. So how do I spin myself? Is it? Yeah. It's got the black square on the back. My favorite Malevich piece. Uh, got my hat. So originally, it's supposed to be glasses. I'm supposed to have square pince nez, but I didn't want to work with transparency. So yeah, and then there's a little secret here. I got paws on my feet, or whatever. I got some toggles too. This bottle actually has less toggles than the other one, but that's just because I never. It's like Lily says, you never really use the expressions. So I didn't do them for this model. Got the hat. Could take the glasses off. This looks bizarre to me. I feel naked like this. Turn around. You missed it. But hello, welcome, Nicole. Oh yeah, that's right. I mean, this. It's so weird looking at this model because I finished this basically like almost a year ago now, and I've just gotten so much better at texturing and modeling, but I just never, converting it to a VRM is a lot of work. Uh, yeah, I hope everyone's had a good day. But that's the model. I made it all by myself. That's a lie. I had a lot of help, but oh, thank you, Koja. Uh, when I wanted to start VTubing, all my friends were popping off. I'm covering the game. Oh, you missed it, Farmy. We were just looking at my model. When all my friends wanted to get into VTubing, I was unemployed at the time, and so I was like, okay, I'll never have a job, and uh, I'll never have money, so I'll just fucking learn art. And so January 2021, I started learning art. Oh, Farmy. Yeah. So I made it all by myself. Well, with a lot of help, but whatever. Yeah, I wish I could manufacture this coat for myself. Okay. That's about as much talking as I can do. It's back to Silent Hill. I didn't miss anybody, right? No. Said hello to everybody. Yeah, okay. I've forgotten. What were we doing? Uh, Antique shop key. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Top 10 anime monologues? I eventually will start monologuing. Get me talking about something. Look at the map. And then we have the antique shop. That's not the map. This is the map. Yeah, we did do that. Can we have a Jewish monologue? Is that in my head or in the game? Do you guys hear that horrifying noise? I'm scared. I can't read this. Which of these is the damn antique shop? The possums. The possums are the animals that haunt my front porch, but it's fine. They can live. I'm so wigged out. Hello? That's terrifying. Whoop whoop. You can't farm me. You literally spent the morning trickster and graphic card. I gotta stop bullying Emily. It's the voices in your head again? Okay, they tell me to take a shower, but I never will. Can't get over how crisp the model and eye tracking is? Oh, thank you. Eye tracking gets a lot better if I take my glasses off. But I need them to see. So for some reason, I'm just compelled to tug on Emily's pigtails, as Ellie always says. I can't not do it. I don't know why. Stinky Ilya. I showered yesterday. I worked out. So we have the antique shop key, but I couldn't really see it on the map. Books? Is this a... No, dog, no. You can't hear the game audio? Oh, that's right. Oops. Now you can hear me getting mauled. Hot dog. We were all just looking at my model. Oh, what is the attack button? Dog. No! Dog cousin. Yeah, I'm... It is silent. Okay, you know what? The dog wins. The dog wins. Oh, Lily didn't get too far. She was just doing the first part again. Very well. She was just doing the first part. Oh, you fuck. Okay, alright. The violence is escalating. Is it this button? Don't do it. Don't do it! Dogs 1, Ilya 0, yeah? Until I busted out the cat. Oh, car! Can I loot this? And Dogs 1, Ilya 2. Oh, I can understand that. This game is really good. I recommend it. Everyone leave my stream and just play it. I guess we could look for Sybil at the police station? Yeah, that's the thing I was complaining about. The voices in my head. Did that say antique store? What is that? Oh, oh, what the fucking gorilla man? Get me out. Oh, get me out, get me out. Oh. Bye, DCD. I waved. My model doesn't have hand tracking, but I just waved. You've not played this yourself? Yeah, same. Silent Hill's so ubiquitous. Especially, I feel like, during like the last decade. That I feel like I know a lot of passive things. But then again, I think I feel like Silent Hill kind of got flanderized, and so like playing the game, like the tropes we see in popular culture isn't what it is when you actually play the game. Existential Dead prior to tomorrow's events. I have zero expectations. Coroner seals called. Officer Gucci! Oh wait, wait. Does my mic sound better? My friend gave me a bunch of like OBS compressor shit. So I'm wondering if it sounds any different. Officer Gucci is unlikely to be murdered. He apparently died naturally. Medical records show Officer Gucci had no prior symptoms of heart disease. Coroner, person who looks at dead people to see how they died. Okay. Product only available in selected areas of Silent Hill. What product? White Claudia. Plant peculiar to the region. Manufactured here? Dealer equal manufacturer? Oh, there's some like drug, I guess. But the map is too blurry to read. Yeah. Is this a dungeon? No, okay, it's only these two things. So I guess it's just a little side area. Officer Gucci got those boots with the fur. Was it start? There should be something you can see. There's the post office. So all the red things we could visit. So maybe this red thing over there is the antique shop? But I actually forgot the last thing we did. We did the hospital dungeon. And we got this. We went to the church. We got this. We crossed over. We got this VHS. We got this antique shop key. Delilah left it at the hospital. So I guess we go there. Or do you mean there should be something you can see here? I think we've gotten everything. It's a pyramid scheme, you're right. Da, 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 da. Please don't be out here. Ah! Get me out. Ooh. You're so quick. Stop. Give up. The car. I will shotgun you. Did I check the check bar? Yeah. Something about White Claudia. Dealer equal manufacturer. There's a drug here. Is it... Unless I'm supposed to read it 2 times in a row, which would be insane. Okay. Ooh. Get me out. The Grand Majesty? Oh, so that must be like a theater? Hello, Declan. Hello. Ooh. Where am I? Oh, so... I'm so lost. Oh, run. Oh, somebody redeemed something at the very start of stream. I just didn't... Today you went around with Rosie the alien hanging up flyers? You got a follower from it? Be careful. You don't want to attract weirdos in the same city. Oh, glasses toggle? Farmy, do you want them the shades off? And the glasses on? This kind of looks bad. I don't know. I'll just take it off. I can't see. Somebody read it. Yeah, okay. Alright, Ellie, sorry about this. Okay. That's it. Oh, thank you. You missed it off. I was showing the model off. But, yeah. Made by me. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's too froggy to see. Is this anything? No. What? Where am I? Get me out. I'm trapped? Whoa. Son of a bitch. Disco? They found a higher quality PNG of the map? Do I need that? Are you saying I'm lost as hell? Tramps? We like a lovable tramp here. Ooh, is this something? No. I guess we could go to the silent. Yeah. I guess I'll look at this. Oh, wow. I would have never, Thank you. It's like deep but more insane? Thank you, Nicole. Yeah, that helped. The game Graphie's going to play tomorrow, Whips. The vampire thing? Printing out flyers is, fun. That's a cute idea. No? R question MJ? I've never heard of that. Oh! We don't even need the key. I kind of miss living in the city because it's so full of stuff to do. But also kind of not. Oh, thank God. The sweet sound of silence. I'm scared. Whew. Okay. Yeah, silent like the hills. This is a clock. Nothing special. The time is 3? You don't know that, Harry. I see that town. Silent Hill 2. There's gotta be something here. Is the hint 3? I gotta be a dummy. Hmm. This House of Dead has a Resident Evil? Hmm. There's a real biohazard here. I'm suspect. There's... Okay, well... 3 p.m. Does that help us with anything? I should probably write that down before I forget. If this keeps up, we'll have a real countdown before we see vampires. Are there vampires in this game? 3 p.m. Hello, Baxter Crook. Welcome, welcome. I'm just gonna try this, oh, Countdown of Vampires. I'm just gonna try the Civic Center, because it's... Oh, I thought it was pink. Did you see a clock tower or something? This is the first time I've ever felt, like, lost in this game. Which is honestly a testament. So there was something in that room? That's what I felt. Should I have used the flowers, maybe? Antique Green Lion? The hit SNES game Clock Tower? Yeah. Oh, should I have looked at it when it was dark, maybe? Hello, Deafside. Welcome. What could I have missed? Oh! Okay. Okay. Yeah, I would not have seen this. I didn't.
What's this?
Ooh.
Harry!
Sybil?
I'm glad you're okay. I shouldn't have left you. Things are worse than I thought. It's nuts.
What are you doing here? I thought you left town.
I saw you go in here, so I followed you. I couldn't get out. All the roads out of town are blocked. Cars have completely stopped running. The phones and radios are still out too.
What about my daughter? Did you see her?
I did see a girl.
Was it Cheryl?
I only caught a glimpse of her through the fog. I went after her, but she vanished. I don't know about your daughter, but...
And you just let her go? Where was it?
On Bachman Road. She was heading towards the
Bachman
lake.
Road.
Now don't get excited. It wasn't like she ran off exactly. There was no place for her to go. The road has been obliterated.
What? So then Cheryl...
It was like she was walking on thin air.
Hmm?
What about you? Anything?
Yeah, I met this bizarre woman. Her name's Dahlia Gillespie. Do you know her?
Gillespie.
Dahlia Gillespie. No. And?
She said something about the town being devoured by darkness. Gibberish like that. Any idea what it means?
Darkness devouring the town. Must be on drugs.
Fucking
They
cop.
sell them to the tourists. The Force still can't figure out who's behind it. None of our leads have panned out. And the investigation is stalled.
What could drug trafficking have to do with all this?
I really don't know. But maybe that's the darkness she was talking about. That's all I can think of.
Hmm.
What's this?
just discovered it. Maybe there's something back there.
Let's have a look.
Wait. We don't know what's back there. I'd better check it out first.
Fucking pig. She's the
I'm a
cop.
I should go.
No, I'm going.
All right.
I mean, it is the northeast,
From
Declan.
here. Be careful. If anything looks fishy, get back here on the double.
We're not gonna go to the
Okay.
Cheryl?
Sybil,
Yeah?
do you know anything about... well, like some other world? It's like some kind of bad dream.
What are you talking about?
I'm not quite sure. I try to make sense of it, but then my mind goes blank. Everything's dark there, and I hear sirens in the distance. I met this nurse, Lisa.
Yeah, that's true. I'm
It's
sorry.
like
Sorry,
I was
Declan.
there, but not really.
You'd never be so
It's all
disrespectful.
a blur, like some kind of hallucination, you know?
I have no idea what you're talking about, Harry.
Oh. I was just wondering.
I was just
Never
wondering.
mind.
Harry. You're tired.
Yeah, maybe.
So, I thought Sybil must be in the... So Sybil isn't in... Yes, oh, saying the road was obliterated is very translated, I feel. Yeah, I thought that Sybil would be also seeing the demons and stuff,
What's this? Some kind
But-
of altar.
I guess not.
Never seen anything like this before. Maybe this is the other church.
Some kind of powder. Do I use the flowers here? Do I even want to do what Gillespie wants us to do? We did just save. Oh, we can't even use it. Hello, Nano. That's fucking right. What's fucking right? Fuck your shit. Yeah, hello. Tanuki Tuesday real. Oh, sweet axe? Yo? Gimme? Yeah, hell yeah. Lootin' polluting the block. I think this will be my regular streaming time. His work has me work 9 to 5. Yeah, why is this guy T-posing? Do I use the axe here? Small hand axe, moderately effective. There's no way this is better than the Lucerne. Oh! No, I like the other thing better. We're gonna accelerate our damage output. So there's just nothing here? Well, there's the axe. Oh, so we know that... Oh, there's a... I'm literally blind. Oh, well. So that store is somehow connected to, like...
What the?
Harry? Are you okay? Harry? Harry?
Did we just teleport? Oh! Thank you very much for the subscription, Nano. I appreciate it. Jalorda.
Where am I?
They're in your Undertale 2 party.
Harry.
Lisa? That I'm in the hospital?
You were having a bad dream.
Was I? Hey, you don't look too good. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Nothing you need to worry about.
Well, if you're sure. Lisa, do you know a woman named Dahlia Gillespie?
Oh yeah, that crazy Gillespie lady.
Walking around barefoot.
She's kind of famous around here. She never sees anybody, so I don't know that much about her. But I heard her kid died in a fire, and supposedly she's been crazy ever since.
Well, she says the town is being devoured by the darkness. Do you have any idea what she's talking about?
The town devoured by the darkness. Yes, I think I do. Before this place was turned into a resort, the townspeople here were on the quiet side. Everybody followed some kind of queer religion. Weird occult stuff.
That's my religion.
Black magic, that kind of thing. As young people moved away, the people figured they'd been summoned by the gods.
Thank you for the stretch channel.
Apparently, things like that used to happen around here all the time. Before the resort, there really wasn't anything else out here. Everyone was so flipped out, you gotta blame it on something.
World's most
Then a lot of
progressive
new
small
people
town.
came in and everybody clammed up about it.
A cult.
Last time I heard anything about it was, gosh, years ago. When several people connected with developing the town died in accidents.
Это.
People said it was a
Какая
curse.
козел ты?
I'm sorry. I'm
Каждый
rambling.
раз.
I'll shut up.
Простите, ты что я скажу. Это. The pom-pom is very Jalcore based.
Was that another dream? Did I pass out again?
Is this the elementary school again with those guys? Or is this the hospital? This is all going on in your head? Scary. Meat room? Yeah. That's right. Declan is the author of that. The artist of that. Now it's just fucking silent. Ugh. Where is it here? The famous pom-pom creator? Declan is also the super five-head genius who did Ilya High too. Ooh! No, Gorilla Man! Don't bite my balls! You'll have to make one for yourself? Oh, yeah, yeah. I think... Yeah, Spooky, if you have your commissions, you can just promote yourself. I don't mind. It's the lake. So where is the lake on this map? Is the lake the river? Is it on the other map? To Old Silent Hill? Yeah, commission Spooky. Commission Declan. I don't know where to go. It is very spooky. No, get away from me, dog. Oh, oh, no, road. Don't combo me. No, that's public parking. Oh, the whole dog a palooza. What? Going here? Okay. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Okay. Violence has to escalate. Oh. Get me in. Get me in. Oh, get me in. Get me in. Whew. Shut up! Shut up, Nicole! Shut up! Oh my god, this scared the shit out of me. Oh! Thank you for following, Rosie the Alien. Hello. Giga Store. Do I need to heal? I like how I said that and then I couldn't, in my heart, shoot the dogs. Yeah, I'd like to say that I only jumped because the game is scary, but it very easily, I startled very easily. Oh my, okay, alright. Oh, thank you. I made the 3D model myself. The design was made by Nicole, but I 3D modeled this and rigged it. Yeah, you didn't mean to redeem Pom Pom, I gotta close the door, I'm too embarrassed. Okay, whew, alright. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the compliments. It, strokes my ego. You did, but do you want another one? If you missed it. Unless you're just trying to get more out of me. Okay, no more, no more, no more, no more. Don't have a map of the area. No, we don't. Ah! I'm gonna put a limit on this if this keeps up. You're so ill-mannered today, chat. Ugh. I just ate too. Maybe I shouldn't say that, actually. But yeah, you're right, Nano. More than you think. I just went ham, Farmy. Oh, I got a gout, too. Oh! Well, they're having a normal one. Is that Cheryl?
Cheryl!
Is this loss? Should I write these symbols down? I'm gonna assume that I don't have to write these symbols down. Go! Go! I put my arms up, no one can tell. Go! Alright. Should I look like an earthworm when there was a transparent copy of your Outplayed Center? Yeah, it didn't look amazing. guess I go up. There's nowhere else to go. Oh, excuse me. Spooky scary. No. 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 Glasses toggle? You want them on? Okay. I really need a Steam Deck. I didn't think that I need one. I thought I could get away with it. Nah, you need one. What are you over there? Is it nothing? Is it a fake ad again? Is it gorilla? Looks like dogs are eating something. Whoa! Fuck this game. Yeah, I have it hotkeyed. What the? I love Tremors. No? Oh, fight? Don't you XD me. Okay, weird. You're going to hell, Worm, and I'm sending you there myself. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. I've seen all 6 Tremor movies. Fuck you, die, perish. Oh, Red Pyramid, thank you for following. Oh, no. That's right. Fucking worm ass. Oh, would you still love me if I was a giant eldritch handworm? Of course, Ellie. Oh. Hasta luego, muchacho. Пока, ребят. До свидания, ребят. До свидания, братан. Tremors is like Waterworld, one of those things I just always watch with my dad. Ah, oh, Black Currant. I haven't had... Ellie, did you know there's no Black Currant in North America? It's so fucking sad. Please, explore the area real quick. Ooh. Yeah. So I haven't had it in years. Hello. Welcome, Red Pyramid. Welcome. Oh, I would have missed this. Hunting rifle. Yeah. I miss having Black Currant with Bellini. Riffle. I don't want to go out there. It was scary. Does this take the same? Presumably not. Black Currant? It's yeah, it's like a berry. I'm not worried about dying. Billy, hi, yep. Amazing emote. I'm quite happy to have that one. Is that a train? This game's amazing. Ooh, get me out, get me out. Was that a moth? Hydrate? You're so true. No. Oh no. I need 2 hands for this game. No, 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 no. Woohoo! Oh! What? Where's the dead end? Oh, okay, we should go straight. Left? Or did we start from there? Gotta be this way. Flapping assholes, get away from me. Give up. Just a hole? Okay. Someone should get that fixed. Where's our taxpayer money going to? I'm not fixing the hellhole. Nope. Ah, yes. This is the first time playthrough. Oh, I probably should have put that in my tags. I don't want to die. Oh, hello, Aloys. Bad news, Moth. Good news. No room full of spikes and shifting floors? That is good news. The only roads reminding you of home? Ah, yep. Yep. So true. This hurting me hands. That's the wrong button. Ooh. There's like 3 assholes on me. I pull low at the game cry. Did I miss? Was that the exit to the lake? I'm just assuming it's this way. Oh, hey, this is a symbol. Is this important? Die. I don't even know. So we're looking for Cheryl. Went to the lake. I don't know where that could be. I guess we should just study the map. It's the wrong button. Is that a Jiffy mode? PB. Oh, like personal best. I guess just keep... I mean, we could go to the hospital again, maybe. Oh, we're right here. Just fuck off. Hat. Oh, hello, Greedra. And then hello, 8 lives. I think I said that, though. I mean, we're here. I don't... Alright, we save. We can safety save. Why not? We could check the VCR. I mean, we're here. Might as well, right? I'm kind of curious. Ooh. Never mind. That's right. Shit's locked. Everything got locked. Okay. I guess we just keep running around till we find the correct path. check out the other doors? Oh, so the hospital was the place to be? Oh, but yes, this is the first time I'm using this model. That kind of works. The glasses. Oh,
Harry!
Glad you're okay.
Thank God you came back. I was scared to be here all alone.
I'm here now. I was worried too. I'm real happy to see you. Lisa, can you tell me how to get to the lake?
The lake? You take Bachman Road.
The road's blocked.
Well, that's the only way out there.
Are you sure? There's gotta be another way.
Wait! I just remembered something!
oh yeah.
What?
There's a waterworks over by my old elementary school.
Have we been there?
It's been abandoned for years. There's an underground tunnel out there used for inspections or something. I remember hearing it runs all the way to the lake.
Really? You think I can get to the lake from there?
I've never been down in there myself, so I'm not positive. Besides, it's all fenced off to keep people out.
If there's a chance, I've got to try.
We're
Harry,
out there,
don't go.
and he's in there.
I don't want to be alone. It's so scary, I can't stand it.
How about coming with me? This may not be the safest place in the world either. I can't promise you anything, but I'll do my best to protect you.
She's gonna die.
Somehow I feel I'm not supposed to leave this place. Oh, Harry, I'm so scared and cold.
Look, just wait here a little longer. I'll be back as soon as I find my daughter.
Harry?
No. We just left her. I mean, I guess. So the elementary school's on the other side of the bridge. Unless there's another elementary school? I don't... Yeah, I guess that is true. His daughter is definitely more important. Can't really blame him then with thinking about it like that. Also, hello, Lily. Oh, we're just... So spooky. Hospital even. Go! Go! I hear things. Do I go this way? This game. I'm just up here? Oh my god! What? Hello? Fuck are you, buddy? Sidestep? No. I love Mothra. This is not Mothra, though. Mothra would protect humanity. What am I doing? Resources are meant to be used. Ooh. Oh my god, die! Is it a puzzle boss? Am I missing? It's cool that you can see Harry's blood and then Moth blood. Okay, whew! Did we not kill the worm? I guess? I guess we didn't. We didn't kill the worm, so it evolved. So, I guess we're back to normal? The Mothman song? I've never heard of the Mothman song. As normal as Silent Hill can be, that's true. I guess we go back to the one elementary school we've already been to the water processing plant? Oh, yeah. Everyone knows the Mothman pill from Gomi's own stream. Oh wow, there's no loading. Cool, sick. I lied. Oops. Oh, did you just point it out for me? Oh, that's nice. That is so generous, actually. Oh. When you take the Mothman pill, you never put an emote though, Farmy. Oh. No. Took 2 hits. Well, if you read the description of the Mothman pill, Gomi will let you use one of their follower emote slots. Oh, they got rid of that, I guess. Spooky. Oh, no, we're good at health. Doesn't it just say that because of required text field? Oh! Fuck you, slow ass bugs. Oh, I don't know. Whoa! Oh my god, what? No one talks about the fucking Merman! What the fuck? Oh, I got tired. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I gotta heal. Well, I mean, I heard them. I didn't know what they were. Perish. You too, bug. Is the bug too... Got him. Whew. That was scary. What the hell? I didn't know that there was a... fish creatures. Everyone always talks about the damn nurses and nothing else. I guess I go this way? Find a splinter now. I had to think really hard about what that meant. Get over here, you bastard. These are unsexy lizard men. People think nurses are hot or something. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, famous rat. Splinter Cell. Oh, ammo. Yo, we're gonna loot and pollute. Oh, just ammo? Okay. Is there anything on this side? That animation of him walking into walls is so funny. Oh, hunting ammo. Splinter more famous than even Clavio? Oh. Yeah, probably. Absolutely, actually. The Blink-182 album came out the same year? You're gonna have to explain that one to me, Raven. I don't... I think I was not allowed to listen to Blink-182 as a kid. I think it was too graphic or something. Keep out. So this is where we gotta go. Oh! There's a nurse on the cover. I see. I hate this. I see, you can see her booba. To PNC? Huh? Yeah, I'm pretty much a pansy. Graphic? Oh, nice. Yes, take the sewer key. Is there only one? Okay. Oh, nurse outfit redeem. I could make an alternate outfit. But I just made this one. I kind of want to use it for a little bit. I guess we go to the ladder. I don't know. Presumably, we just go forward. Oh, what the fuck? Fuck this game. Oh, whoa. Okay, alright, okay, you won. Can't stay as long, want to say hi? Thank you, Draconic, for stopping by. Mother fuck ass lizard. I don't know where to go. Oh! Nothing is more fucking with you than that one just loud room. This guy's hurt. So I guess we go this way? All the way down here? Yeah, they figured out how to climb, the sneaky bastards. Love the toxic waste barrels. Ah, okay, okay. I hear you. Hello, Gamma Chris. Welcome. Yeah, Silent Hill. This game's amazing. Have you played it? It lives up to the hype. 100%. Son of a... Alright, you get to live. Do live. Should be a ladder here. Just like how we always know from New York. Yeah, exactly. Oh. Oh, I hate this. Are they up there on the ceiling? Is that what that is? Ah, I can't get me. Ooh. I lied. They got me. You played it just recently? Love the way the game looks. Yeah, this is amazing for a PS1 game. Like the graphics. And then the fog and everything. So good. Yeah. I can see that, Farmy. Because it's like, Hype is like the best game, literally. Like, one of the best games ever. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's probably no way it can live up to the hype. You know, a thought just popped into my head. Do you think the developers knew they were making, when they were making this, they were making one of the greatest games of all time? So there's loot this way. There's no loot this way. Sad. Unless it's hidden? Nah. They certainly didn't. Hmm. Oh, is this the game where the one guy did all this FMV or whatever, and then slept at the office? Do I need to heal? The Shrek? No one wanted to work on it, so they just sent it there. It was seen as a punishment working on it. They were trying to make a good game. I mean, this game's amazing. No, fuck off. Also, don't mention Shrek. This is a no Shrek zone. Ooh, pills. What did I just say, DCD? $1998 is an... Wait, this came out in 1998? 1998 is like one of the best games for... Best years for games. Yeah, yeah, exactly, Farmy. It seems like they really got it in one. Okay, whew. Oh, come on. You're technically correct. The worst kind of correct. Do I want to go that way? Is there loot here? $99. Still. Perish. Bleed out. I'm gonna kick you. Cursed green being Blight on products. Yeah, I distinctly, vividly remember there was Shrek green ketchup, and I begged my parents to buy me the fucking... to buy me the goddamn green Shrek ketchup. And then it just sat in the pantry because I was too scared to use it. No. Oh, it just ends? There's nothing over here? I don't have to hop on that? Oh. Yeah, everything was green. Oh, I hate this. Oh, so I did have to come over here. Duh. Oh my god? Oh my god? Oh, just 3 regular guys? Oh, they're all dead. Did I get the key? I did. Okay. Well, Mom, if we don't get the Shrek green ketchup... Oh my god. Hey, I was reading chat. Fuck you. Perhaps I shouldn't be so liberal with this ammo. What's the point of hoarding it? Shrek will feel sad about being an ogre and turn mean again. I don't know why I wanted the darn green ketchup. It's fucking bugs. Oh! What the fuck was that? Oh, what the fuck was that? Was it just a noise? Fuck you. Get me out. What? Who are you? Oh, is that something on the ground? No. Are they not? Wait, actually, that's right. Is my radio off? Or. Huh. Wait. So is the implication that these things are just actually in Silent Hill? Is that the implication? Because the radio isn't popping off? Loreheads, explain. Smile. Snow. You're gonna backseat? Ah, sigh. Actually, well, try the hammer. Just like the New York Sewer Gators. Ooh. There's loot in there. Ooh. That looks like the exit. There's a certain area. Check your map. We don't have the map. Oh, here's the map. No. Stop. Banging on the piano. Haha, it was loot. See Annie's bar? Yeah. What's the green? Rifle shot? Oh, okay. Okay. I probably would have just gone straight to the resort or whatever. Okay, we'll go. This way? Any right here? No. Not the dogs. Ooh, gorilla. Woo. Let me in. Like, no one talks about the Silent Hill gorillas. Oh. I would have never seen this.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I guess so. But I'm beat. I thought I was a goner there. So how'd it go? Did you find a way out?
No, not yet. How about you?
Zip. But it's too soon to give up. This craziness can't go on forever. A military rescue squad should be here any time now. If they come through the town, we're home free.
I hope so.
I better get going. This isn't the time to stand around flapping your gums.
This guy's so flippant.
Do you know a girl called Alessa?
No.
What? Is he a fake doctor? Yeah, that guy, you know, pretty unenthused for, you know, getting his face eaten off. Oh, something on the ground. Oh. Kaufman must have dropped this. Looks like it's full of stuff. Kaufman key. Receipt 0473. He almost got folded. Italian eatery? For the general store. 3 is written on the tag. Is that his apartment number? Indian locker? Cancel him on Twitter. I noticed some of my followers are following Dr. Kaufman. Just thought you should know. He shops at Indian Locker. Indian Runner. Oh yeah, give me the health drink. Oh, so let's go over there. No, stop, mister. He shops at Foot Locker. Yeah, shops at Lids. Cancel him. Ooh, ooh, shit. Oh, God. No. Let me free. Oh, I'm perfectly fine. They're just literally chewing my esophagus out. That was the wrong button. Oh, we're still green. Get me out. Die. No, wrong button. Huh. Still green? Somehow? Yeah, we're perfectly fine. 4 7 3. No. Let's chug. 0473. I don't know the numbers in the wrong order. Give me out, give me out, give me out. So funny. 4 7 3. Whew. Books, toilet paper, rifle shells. Anything over here? A spine? Betty X? Is it just the Oh! Oh, this must be the for the key? It's locked. Surely it's the can't be used here? Norman's grand opening. The Norman Bates Motel. Yeah, okay, game. Oh, is there a hit on this? Three loaves of bread, 3 cartons of milk, 2 dozen eggs. 0885? 0886. Oh, 886. Did we see a back door? Don't make me go in the back. I don't want to get mauled by gorillas. Okay, 0886. Psycho actually is a really good, no, stop! Movie. There's no back. I'm gonna start blasting these guys. You hippity hoppity motherfucker. I'm no longer asking. Rest in piss. Behind the locker? This? Oh, this. I would not have thought you could interact with this. The key was right here. Oh my god. What? FedEx! Oh, like FedEx! Drugs? Was that the white chlamydia? That's not what it was. It was white Claudia. White chlamydia is something else. He came by. I handed over the package that the woman left here. September 12th. He showed up at Norman's too. Don't want to be involved with the likes of them anymore, but I'm getting creeped out even more than before. Thought of leaving town, but I'm afraid of what will happen if I do. So Norman was part of the drug ring? And I guess Dr. Kaufman too. FedEx. Okay. But that's still... So, we saw our daughter run into... Do I? Where? I was just gonna say... The lake, I guess, because that's where we saw Cheryl. Norman's? This is Norman's. Oh, Norman's Hotel. Is that even here? That might say motel. It says Motel Inn, so I guess let's go there. Is it here? Nah, a little early. Okay, one down. This game's so cinematic. Wait, that's the diner. No. Is there one more down? You Motherfucker. Oh, here we go. Oh, we have a passcode. 8 something? Oh, room 3. Okay. 2. Is that 1 or 3? Yeah, 0886. So Kaufman was here. Can we turn on the lights? Yeah, okay. No, not that kind of game. What? No, let me get... Oh, okay. Can we move this? What? Could we use, like, a wire hanger, I guess? Coat hanger? Is that an ampule? No, it's health drink. Oh, okay. So we know we could go up the back. Was it the back of the store or the back of the motel? We know that one is locked. Shit's locked. Yep. I want to go out to the gorillas again. I'm going to be real. Please be open. Please work. I guess we could try... I don't remember what the note said exactly. Oh, this is hell. Let me in. Oh, let me in. Oh. Oh. Ooh, ciggies. Oh, sexy lady. A magnet tied to some string. That is an... Of all the random things to use as a puzzle, that is the most insanely convenient. Let me just leave my magnet tied to a string here. Yeah. Right there. I can't tell if this lady has ginormous boobs or if that's just her arm. We can imagine that they are huge honkers. Dr. Kaufman, not on the register. Leggy. Oh, it could be a leg. Yeah, yeah. Is that a cigarette vending machine? Oh, wait. Let's take some of the keys. Oh, okay. Guess must be nothing. Did I save? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's really hard to tell anything. Really just the impression of a woman more than anything else. Oh, hello, top tier mage. Yeah, I finally finished my regular outfit. The vague visage of a woman, exactly. I've been going for 2 hours? What the hell? It doesn't feel like that. This game's so good. Magnet on a string, magnet on a string. Ooh. Motorcycle key. Is this gonna be the thing? We're gonna check the motorcycle's canister. We did see the motorcycle. I didn't even think of interacting with it. Hmm. Cool. What?
Give me that.
What is this?
That's none of your business. Instead of messing with that, how about coming up with a way to get out of here? You shouldn't be hanging around here goofing off. What do you think you're doing? You want to get yourself killed? Get out of here.
Okay, take it easy.
Unless you want to die, keep your mind on business. Got
Keep
it?
your mind on business. Yeah, I'm a businessman, not a doctor. Man, was he pissed. I guess I wasted my time. So we know he's involved. We know that this town seems to be involved in like a drug smuggling ring. Actually, on the topic of me doing my thing, I will be right back. Be right back. Oh, you should get some water too, chat. Stretch your legs. Hello. The fog? That's just hotboxing. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, there's hell outside. I guess we just go down to the lake area. Dog. Yes, thank you. I thought I heard my cat, but it was just the music. Did I bring you food? I didn't know. I gotta get some snacks. I haven't cooked in a while. I should cook something. Goodies. Here, take the medicine. Ha. I don't have anything like homemade though. Just store snacks. Want some goldfish? Hello! Auto okay guy 343 the second. Welcome. Oh no, the
What's
siren.
this? Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah, I'm out of water. Thank you, Timmy. I'll get it after this cutscene though. Reality becoming a nightmare? Oh, I don't like this feeling. Like something bad will happen. No doubt something terrible is going on. Hello, Timmy. Welcome. Thank you for the hydration. Also, I just thank you for getting me to stand up because I just remembered. Kojinu, your debut's this Saturday, right? Everyone follow Kojinu. They're gonna debut soon. Ah, Sunday. Oh, I'll be right back. My cat needs something. Water's so good, y'all. All right. Yes. I gotta be like. Does anyone know? Could I finish the game tonight? Spooky. Might be able to. Too spooky for you? Yeah, I never see you play games like this, Snacko. Snacko MX Racco. Oh, hi, mother! Oh, money. Money? This isn't Metro. No, no, no. Fuck off. Oh. Now are you just saying that, Wasabi? Wait, is he biting me? Wait, do I have to shake him off? I think he was. Yeah, Stop. They're kind of like money. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Ooh! What? No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh. They are a menace. Yeah. Abstracting it like that. I suppose shotgun shells are a form of currency. They are problem solvers. Oh, that's a symbol. I mean, the White House is a point of interest. I guess. I mean, this is gonna be locked, ain't it? Oh, it's not even a... It's been too long since I've been fishing. Or anything outdoorsy, really. Okay, oh, thank God it's just dogs. This is... Oh, hello, Jimmy. Yeah. I have to change my attire with the seasons. The swimsuit was really popular, though, I know. Your memory's fuzzy? Ah, thank you. Oh, what? Sure. I'm good. Besides the stupid Silent Hill gorilla. How are you, Jimmy? Good morning, right? For you? Oh,
Sybil,
Harry,
how did you get back here?
she walked,
I
dumbass.
followed the sewer. Were you the one who cut the fence?
Yeah. I'm glad you made it. I was worried about you.
You were worried? Where did you disappear to? Never mind. I want to know what's going on here. What is with this town?
This may sound really off the wall, but listen to me. You've got to believe me. I haven't gone crazy, and I'm not fooling around. At first, I thought I was losing my
Harry,
mind.
no, you... Just not gonna
Now I know
believe
I'm
you.
not. It's not me. This whole town. It's being invaded by the other world. By a world of someone's nightmarish delusions come to life.
Exactly, Koja.
Little by little, the invasion is spreading, trying to swallow up everything in darkness.
You used to think
I think I'm finally
Sybil was
beginning
the
to
name they made
understand
up?
what that lady was talking about.
Harry, hold on a minute. I don't get it.
Look,
Oh, money.
I don't
Or
understand it all myself.
handgun shells.
I guess I can't explain it.
Well, what's making this happen?
I don't know that either. But I do know Cheryl is there.
There?
There?
Under
That.
whoever created this darkness. Cheryl is somewhere and she needs my help.
Harry, this whole thing's been a major blow to you.
That's right, Sybil doesn't see the monsters.
Sybil,
Oh,
The demon is awakening, spreading those wings.
Dahlia Gillespie.
Was it not as I said? I see it all now. Yes, everything. Hungry for sacrifice, the demon will swallow up the land.
hello, Tofu
I
Knight.
knew this day would
Welcome on in.
come. And what's more, the task is almost finished. There's only 2 left. To seal this town to the abyss, the mark of Samael. When it is completed, all is lost. Even in daytime, darkness will cover the sun. The dead will walk, and martyrs will burn in the fires of hell. Everyone will die.
So what am I supposed to do? I've got to save Cheryl.
It is simple. Stop
Harry.
the demon. The demon taking that child's form.
Oh no. I don't like this.
Stop it before your daughter becomes a sacrifice. Before it is too late. Stop it! Stop it!
What do I do?
Go to the lighthouse
Evil
on the
baby.
lake. And to the center of the amusement park.
There's an amusement park?
Make haste. You are the only hope.
Look, Harry. I really don't get what's going on. But if there's a chance we can save your daughter, I'm in. I'll check out the amusement park. You go to the lighthouse.
Oh, okay.
Sybil, thanks.
You will need to use it.
Use what?
The flowers, you
The
dumbass.
flowers. Only with that can you stop it.
I don't know if I trust her.
What about Sybil?
Did I miss somebody? No. Dolly wings you want to spread or a good old plate of boneless wings? Yeah. I like boneless wings because I can eat them with a fork. I hate having my hands dirty. It's like a weird pathological things. How much info do you want about alternate endings? I've resigned myself to that. If I'm streaming, I'm not gonna get a blind experience. But I don't know. I mean, you can talk about it if you want. Much rather just eat brainlessly? Yeah, exactly. I'm just running. Fuck this. Pseudo sequel to this game where all the pterodactyls dogs are in custody. Oh, paperwork simulator? That could be cool. This is hell. You want me to go down the stairs? Where, the violence will escalate. That's right, hop away, you motherfucker. Stop chewing me. Yeah, it's content. Also, Nicole's been backseating the entire time. He can't help himself. Maybe I'll mess up on purpose to annoy him. Lily has played this game, yes. Perish. Woo! Woo! Get me out! Is this even the lighthouse? Okay, it is. Oh, medicine. Whoa. Oh yeah, should I show off the model again since maybe more people are here? I showed it off a long time ago, but people probably forgotten. Or maybe I haven't even seen it. I hope we get teleported out of this hellhole. I don't want to fucking do the gauntlet again. Sure, I'll save, why not? This is amazing, what the hell? This game is so good. See, I feel like a modern game would be too scared to do that camera angle. Oh!
Wait!
Yeah, exactly, Lily.
Damn, I was too late.
What? Harry, you're not the Unreal Space? Do I have to use the flowers? Oh wait, flashlight doesn't work? I'm scared. I don't know if I trust the lazy lady though. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go to the abyss. I lied, there's nothing here. Huh. I mean... Surely there's something we do here. Oh, okay. My kingdom for a dual shot. Oh. Pain. Oh, they can't get up here. I lied. I lied. You dog. Ooh, what? Oh, that's new. Oh my god. What is this? Don't make me go back. I just got here. Huh, okay. I guess there's nothing. Oh, this is new. Oh, thank you.
Sybil hasn't come back. That creep's sure to show up at the amusement park pretty soon.
That creep?
Let me be on time.
Oh, Gillespie. I'm the Kaufman. I went down the wrong hole. Where is there amusement park on this map, though? Oh, to Lakeside of Amusement Park. A Doi Doi. Woohoo! Yeah, got him. You know, I call that thing a moth, but it's kind of like a manta ray. Yeah, I want to go here. It's never easy, huh, in Silent Hill. Things just don't work. I don't want to go in the sewers, man. Thought it was Mothman? Yeah. I don't want to die, I don't want to die. I thought it was a moth, but like... it kind of didn't seem like a moth. Fuck it, fuck it. Go, 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 go. Maybe the axe is better because it's faster. Oh, got him. Exactly. Opening the fridge for the 5th time in a row. Oh, Sybil. Wait, so she is in Silent Hill? Who hit her? Ah, I don't want to be here. Sewer 2. Yeah. The symbol of the Samael, I think? That got me. Triangle is Metatron? Yeah, I played SMT Nocturne. I know about Metatron. I'm gonna piss my pants in anger. There's 2! That's what... slimy assholes. Yeah. Hmm? This guy's just chilling. Oh, that's the triangle. Oh. Huh. Oh, health. I thought about streaming Nocturne, but... Are you in the ceiling? Whew. I feel like it's hard to stream JRPGs, but it's also just like, fuck it. It's my stream. I can do whatever I want. Harry is no longer asking. Who's that? You're new. Are you slow? Hey, shit. How's the guy killing Dr. Kaufman? They're trying to touch a soft spot. This is a mistake. Okay. Okay, well. This is my own fault. Okay, alright. You know... No? Still alive? There's a 50-50 and I lost it. Oh, no. I'm an idiot. I went too far. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't want to kill them all, but... Ooh. What? Oh my god! No, stop. Guys, take this. Unicorn. What? Get out. Whew. It was not a unicorn, but... Is that a motherfucking Twin Peaks reference? That show was so good. I gotta rope my friend into watching it every fall. I gotta start bothering him to do that. Okay, we're good on health. I also love Twin Peaks. I think it's... Ooh! You got the complete edition? Hell yeah. It's so good. That's definitely probably one of my favorite shows. Did I tell you all my funny story? Oh. Back to these guys? So you know Fire Walk With Me, right? The Twin Peaks movie? Hello, Nora. Welcome. Oh, she's dead. I guess an ice pick to the dome will do that. Oh. Oh, there's nothing this way. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I wonder if I should... Ooh, I hate that. Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, frame rate. Oh, that's why the frame rate is dying. Oh, we're at the amusement park. Huh. Last backseat. Okay, uh-huh. Oh, thank you, Nora. How you been today? Go on to it? The spinning carnival rides make me sick. I haven't read on one since I was a smaller me. I think now maybe it would make me sick as well. PSO2 has completely taken over your life. Yeah, MMOs do that to you. Now, are you sure it's this one, Nicole, and not... I mean, this looks like an opening. Okay. Sad day, sad day. You know, I don't know. If I tried to get on one now, I'm sure it would make my stomach hurt. Oh, this one maybe. Hey, look, he's so polite. He's in line. Oh, there's a door here. Oh, I just killed that guy for no reason. Feel bad. Yeah. Every backseat is always wrong. Streamer, do this. Streamer, you're gonna miss the secret ending. Streamer. Ooh. Streamer, touch your toe. Hey, streamer, can you touch your elbows to your belly button? Streamer, tuck me in tonight. Give me a little midnight kiss. After the cutscene, DCD. But hello, Eos. Welcome. Item menu? Now? In the cutscene? Oh, God. She's possessed. Oh, my God. Or else I'm... Oh, God. Is this the thing? Do I gotta do this? Did I miss? That would be so funny. Oh, what the fuck? It's an alien baby. That was so dainty. Harry, put your fucking back into it.
Snap out of it.
It's a spawn of the devil. Stomp the shit out of it. Oh, it was the thing on the nurse.
Shh. Don't talk. I'll take care of you.
Top 10 lies Harry Mason has ever said. I'll take care of you.
Why did they take your daughter? Why her?
I'm not sure myself. But, you know, Cheryl isn't my biological daughter.
Oh?
I actually haven't told her yet. She probably already knows anyway, though. We found her abandoned on the side of the highway. Nobody knew where she came from. We didn't have any kids of our own. My wife was sick. And it didn't look like she was getting any better. So we took Cheryl in.
So in that case...
There might be some connection between Cheryl and this town.
It's not as obtuse as, like, anything in Siren. But that was pretty
Cheryl
obtuse.
is my daughter. I will save her no matter what.
I remember the red liquid in the hospital. I remember thinking it's kind of strange that this is here.
I figured you'd show. Hold it right there. I don't know who you are or what you're trying to do, and I don't care. Just one thing. Let Cheryl go. That's all I
Oh.
ask. What?
Cool. Magic.
Damn.
AT field. Oh, is Gillespie not evil?
What
Did I
is
just
this?
assume? Wait, is this the end of the game? It's a lament configuration.
Where's Cheryl? Give me back my daughter.
We meet at last, Alessa.
Wait, huh? Alessa's the nurse.
Gillespie? Where's Cheryl? Where is she?
Alessa. This is the end of your little game.
Mama?
Could she be?
You've been a ghastly little pest, haven't you, Alessa? I was careless, thinking you couldn't escape from our spell. But Mommy didn't know how much you'd grown. That's why I couldn't catch you all by myself.
No, she was evil.
But what a pity, yes?
So we get for trusting an old crazy
Now
old
you're
woman.
half indebted to this man for his help.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Harry, just start blasting.
Alessa, my dear little girl, there is one thing left I need you to do for me.
No! Get away from me!
Bad girl. Everything is ready.
What?
Let's go home now.
What's going on here?
Holy schmoly. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? Again? What?
Harry.
Oh,
Lisa. What happened? Where's Alessa and Dahlia?
Harry, listen. Something you said before has been bothering me. I just can't get it out of my head.
What is it, Lisa?
So I went to look in the basement. Even though I was scared as hell. Like you said, there were these creepy rooms. But nothing really unusual down there. But while I was down there, I got this weird feeling. Like I'd been there before. Like something happened there. But I can't quite remember somehow. What was it? Harry, help me. I'm so scared. I can't take this.
It's only a temporary thing. You're in shock from when you were knocked out. Don't fret about it. You'll remember after a while.
how do we keep ending up here?
No. You don't understand.
Wait! Where do you think you're going?
The basement? Damn, what's this? That sound. From down there? It's coming from the basement. I mean, Harry has like a demon body count in the dozens at this point. I think he's kind of... I think he can say that. Yeah, I was gonna just... Oh my god. I was just about to say, Lives, I know I'm like 23 years late on this, but the voice acting is really good. This is where you can view the VHS tape again? Ooh. You know, we probably just missed it.
I'm being summoned. What happened in this town? What could be making things like this? I have a feeling if I take the elevator down, I'll find it.
Is this the final boss? Welcome back, kitty cat. Hello.
Cheryl.
Yeah, the VHS tape probably wasn't that important. Can y'all hear him? Oh. Hello? Daughter? Oh, this room? Oh. File leg. What? We've been here. What? Huh? Oh, clock is different. What? There's a square hole in the center of the clock. And the hand? Oh, it's a key. Glass, you say? No, that'd be too easy. Oh. Bullets. Alright. I'll be right back. My cat wants something. We just saved. I'm gonna not save. Oh, good Jesus! Who's coming quicker? You? Ah, gamble. No! Stop! Is this hurting me? If this kills me, I'm gonna laugh. Stop! Whew. So we need something for the clock. The door is locked. That is also locked. Ophio. What the fuck? Okay. Is this like someone's memories, maybe? Or go home, Dr. Death? Thief? Drop dead. Oh, okay. There's a screwdriver. Oh, we can use this for the glass, maybe? A bit morbid to think that they're in a hospital. Oh! Who got bullied as a kid? Lisa, maybe? Rusty screwdriver you've ever seen? Yeah, it didn't look good. But, no? No? Okay. Well. Oh, is this still here? Oh, it's gone. Can we go in the back now? No, okay. One day I'll get sponsored by WD-40. Ooh. Oh, we can use the pliers here. Okay, a few. It's just straight up locked. Bullets. Is it telling us to shoot the bird in the sky that may exist? I don't want to shoot it. Ah, fuck me. Albany throat. Oh my god. What? The whole alphabet? That could be any word. Linda Findlay, Trevor F. White, Albert Lords, Roberta T. Morgan, Edward C. Briggs. The Grim Reaper's list. Wait, what? A L E. We'll come back to this. No, I'll write it down. Okay, so if we do A L L L F A L L F E C E потом R T M T F R. So A L L F E E R M T N. Is that anything? A L L F. That was not F. A E E R M T N. Okay, well, we'll come back to this. We're going full ass out with these puzzles now. So Taurus? Sagittarius, Bull, Cancer? Wait, oh, no, they all have their own keypad? Oh no. Okay, Bull. 4. Wait. So I have to look up the damn astrology thingy-majig? Is this like you have to know King Lear, the third act or whatever? I can't. I feel like I don't have enough information. Hmm. Oh, you hate to see. Oh yeah, this puzzle. Oh, okay. Names engraved on a lithograph. The Grim Reaper's list. The head count is set up. Young and old lined up in order of age. Okay. The pathway opens, awaiting them, the frenzied uproar, the feast of death. Okay, so... Surely it doesn't make me want to spell out their whole names. So the youngest person... Oh no. Is Albert Lords. And the second youngest is Linda Findley. And then it is Edwards. Or Riggs. And then it is Robert Morgan. It is Trevor Wyatt. So... I don't know what I wrote here. You have hints available if you need. I will indeed. Probably. I can't read my own handwriting. No. C. That is not a C. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I think I might... The... How you say? Astrology room? I have no clue. Maybe Ophelia will come up in chat and just yell at me. Scream at me the answer. Okay, so let's try... Oh, that was way simpler than... Okay, well... Spooky. Oh! Stop jamming on the piano! Oh. Oh. It did spell alert. Oops. Oh, an amulet of Solomon. Yeah, thank you. Don't be different now. Don't be loading an enemy. What did I say?
Lisa, what's the matter with you?
I get it now. Why I'm still alive even though everyone else is dead.
You're a survivor?
I'm not the only one who's still walking around. I'm the same as them. I just hadn't noticed it before.
Wait,
Lisa.
she's got a thingy in her?
Stay by me, Harry. Please. I'm so scared. Help me. Save me from them. Please. Harry.
Oh, goodbye. Oh! No! Oh my god. Jesus! Do we gotta kill her now? We can just zone out. Despair is correct.
Lisa.
I bet if we go back in there, we can brain her to death. I don't know if I want to do that though. We just hey, goodbye. We gotta solve this puzzle now. Yeah, you just close the door, lock it. You know. I'm gonna be real. We're doing a little cheating here. Oh fuck, which was this one? No? Okay, so either we're gonna do this. Okay, well, the worst time for Harry to remember he left his phone in there. So true. Okay, I have to use my brain here. So crab is 10, but we can't input 10 into any of these. So that's not really helpful, is it? Sheep is 4. Zero is... So if it's at 0, then all my numbers are off by... So it should be 1 less? Oh, you're Pisces? I'm, Scorpio. And then here we... Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm a Valentine's baby. Two is scales? Oh, I'm gonna look this up because there's no way. You're a sentimental Virgo? You can't help but feel this meeting was destiny? What are you talking about? I'm just gonna look up the signs. Wait, this isn't. Graham Acre? You can provide a hint? I was just gonna. Because I don't have the knowledge of the signs in order. So I was just gonna look it up. But if you're saying that there's a way to solve this puzzle without having that foreknowledge, then I can try. Ah. So eerily silent now. Oh, I watched Double O. I just have forgotten everything. Oh, you need zero knowledge of Zodiacs? Oh, okay, okay. I'm gonna be real. I watched Double O, but I just remember the characters and none of the names. Except Hallelujah Baptism, because that name is unforgettable. Is it like sheep plus? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь, девять, десять. Okay. Okay. Thank you for that hint. I would have never gotten that. Stone of Time. As a sentimental Virgo, I can't but help feel that this meeting is destiny. Thank you, Kojin. I appreciate it. Oh shit! You. Pisces is 0 because fish have no limbs? Ah! So everything else was locked, right? If I recall correctly? I'm pretty sure... That's... So... Square hole? They only... Oh! The only square hole is this thing. But... Oh, it's a big square hole. Okay. I think I'm... I think people just don't like Scorpios. Oh my god. He's got glass in his eye. So this would be Haggith. We haven't even seen Haggith. Oh god. I'll save. In case some bullshit happens. We're nowhere. Okay. We gotta be close to the end. I'll just power through. So we didn't go through this door. Oh. Glass in your eye sucks? Yeah, I bet. Holy shit. Wait, what? Elevator? I mean, I just kind of picked 3. I don't... Oh my god. I don't like this. Okay. Looks like an altar. Wonder what they worship. I was gonna say... Are you speaking from experience? Oh god. I'm sorry, that sucks. This is an audio nightmare. So, the light to the future. I don't know if I turn the flashlight off. Is that the hint? Hmm. The light illuminating darkness. So I have to make a line? I don't know. I don't think I have enough information. I'll check the other doors. I can hit one, but I meant to hit two. Water's so good. You had a similar event with a piece of glass in your shoe? It's just super small slivers? It's mostly just irritating? Holy shit. I mean, I trust you. Felt strange for a few months, but okay after? That's good. I'm glad that it was nothing big. Oh, hey, what's this? A key? Crest of Mercury. So you don't fall for not wearing goggles? Yeah, I mean... I bet you wear goggles now. Ring of contract. You totally do. Yeah. Hey, no more glass in your eye. Ooh. Oh. I mean... So I guess we should go forward. It's unlocked. What? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're back here. You're good at what you do, but you're not smart about what you do. That sounded awful. I myself am also incredibly lazy, so I understand. Camera? Camera? Oh my god. What? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Does that hurt me? Does the grab hurt? Oh, no. Okay. Oh my god. I'm getting comboed? Oh, Harry? Please? Harry? Screwed to the wall, you say? Are you behind me? Huh? Huh? Oh! Is this game really telling me to go down to the basement to turn off the electricity? Well. So the only thing I can think of is the elevator room, but I mean, we could go see Lisa. Unless one wasn't what I thought that it was. Yeah, no. So, did we miss something? Like gloves? I guess let's just start at the beginning with every door again. Actually, wait. Ah, okay. Oh, God! Don't be shocked. This game's too scary. Oh, don't grab me. Whew, I don't remember this room. Oh, we could do the the bird room. Yeah, this. Well, we got a key, I guess. I mean... Oh, it's not a key. I did theorize that we shoot the birds? Okay, no, we do not do that. Oh, we used everything. I guess let's keep looking. Yeah, okay. You're definitely not here. No, okay. Yeah, sure, let's see, why not? We could go... Okay, we just saved. Oh god, you ain't here. Ask doctor to let me quit being in charge of that patient. It's too weird. Still still alive, but with wounds that won't heal. Told the doctor I quit. Won't work at that hospital anymore. The room is filled with insects, even with doors and windows. They get in to spite me. To the hospital. Feeling bad. Need to throw up, but nothing comes out. Vomiting oil bile. That's something. Blood and pus flow from the bathroom faucet. I try to stop, but it won't turn off. Need drug. Help me. Well, that's spooky. What was in this room again? Well, I guess we got it already. This is the room we already solved, so no sense checking it again. Yeah, here. Basement? Turn off the power? Oh, there's nothing. So unless there's something in the lockers I missed. No, it doesn't look like it. You generally can't remember how to solve anything beyond the first two puzzles, to be honest? Yeah, understandable. I just feel like I'm missing something, like, small. It's a bit hard, because this is like an Unreal space. Maybe I can solve the stuff up stop? Yeah. That's what I was thinking, actually. Can't use it here. Can't use it here. It looks like the Lance of Longinus. Just because it's a spear, you know, and someone is hanging? I don't know why I said that, actually. It's just a spear. Oh. This is a light. Oh! I'm a genius. The light to the future. That's actually pretty hard. So, triangle, arrow. Okay. Hello, dude. This game is very spooky. I forgot what this one was. It was this, right? Eh? No, this is it. What? Unless it's... Wait. Reverse what I'm clicking? Oh, like those should be dark? True. The light illuminating the darkness. So let's try this one lit up. And then I think we'll have the... Should these be dark then? Okay. Heh. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. Well, what's in here? Oh. That's Dr. Kaufman's office, I believe. White Claudia. Perennial or pine near water. Reaches heights of 10 to 15 inches. Oblong leaves, white blossoms. Seeds contain hallucinogen. Ancient records show it was used for religious ceremonies. The hallucinogenic effect was key. Yeah, okay. Pretty normal. Is that it in here? Huh. Okay. I guess the other one must have progress. I forget the shape of this one. I think I remember the shape of this one. Is it this? Is it this? Cerebro zapisha Haroshi Mysz Vor? The ocean Smishnoi. How do you say sleepyhead? I don't want to say pot either. Sleepyhead. Который Zastama много? Oh, the birdcage key. Okay. I would go to Yandex and get a translation, but if you really want me to say that, Sleepyhead? Probably not, because it is a title. You're right. Cerebro Zapushet Harushi Mush. I don't know Vor either. I guess Vor is Vor. Prekrasna Sleepyhead. I'm completely lost. Go back. Have the birdhouse key, which is at the stop. Why did he do it? I shouldn't say this on streamed, but I didn't know that he could be that horny about anything. That's a doozy of a picture. I'm lost beyond all mortal comprehension. You played the fifth? What are you playing the fifth about that? Huh? DCD? You got some insider information? You commissioned that, huh? I'm so lost. I can't commit this place to my mental map. Because it's unreal. You played the... Okay, I won't pry. It's a constitutional right or whatever. People make things and often do not know why. Yeah, I often have been gripped by mania about certain things. As this is not a criminal case, I make adverse inferences about your intentions with that picture. You haven't watched much Klavi? I think it's clear. I'm a big fan of that mouse. Love that mouse. I can't watch her streams much because she streams at the ass crack of the morning, and I have to work 9 to 5. At least I will soon. Alright, okay, here we go. But then this is just another key. Oh, Phallic. Right here, right, actually? This should be Phallic. Yes. Because I laughed because it sounded like Phallic. I used to be able to, like, This is the basement. Ooh, oh, it's just a ghost. I don't want to... Are you real? Are you damaging? Oh my god. I used to watch like 4 streams at the same time. I don't anymore though. I can't. This is a door. Let's check this. Working with GDP and another monitor? Bethor. I'm so thirsty. Ooh. I'll be right back actually. I get water. Water. So good. Bullets. Thinking about how I had to ban the word war in Clavio's channel because people kept making jokes about it. Jelly beans? What? Let's see up with the fucking Satan's jelly beans. Why not? What the fuck is this? This is such a mood whiplash. Harry, you fuck. Oh, Bethar's just right there. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. The VHS. We can do this. Finally. VCR. We have the technology.
What is it? Still has an unusually high fever. Eyes don't open. Getting a pulse, but just barely breathing. Her skin is all charred. Even when I change the bandages, the blood and pus just start oozing through. Why? What is keeping that child alive? I can't stand it any longer. I won't tell a soul. Promise. So please.
Huh. Stream during work hours is difficult too. You can only get away with it because you can multitask repair with one stream. Yeah, I like having streams on as a background. Even if I'm barely listening. That's nice. So that was Lisa. I don't want to make the assumption that the kid is Cheryl, but there's only been one kid in the whole game so far. I guess 2? Alyssa? Maybe? Whose room is this? Oh, Alyssa. Oh, is this Samael right here? This demon? And look, it's Shrek. Thou possessed to guard the spirit, evoke fire rites, unveil thy fate. Oh, okay. Well, I think we're almost here. Is this Bethor? Well, that was horrifying. An Ankh. Huh. This is Bethor. Oh, and then, okay, we turn it off. And then we go get that one key in that one room that I forgot where it is. Yeah, I was gonna make the comment. There's a lot of a blend of religions here. The Ankh, the symbol of Solomon. I think I saw a Christian cross. I don't remember where that thing is. Here? Two? Oh, this is the start. Or do we just not do... Is it? Here? Here? Ooh. Here? No. Oh! Oh, Shadow Kid! No! Stop! Get away from me. Here. Yeah, okay. Give Aratron. I took it, right? Yeah, okay. This has to be the ending. How do I go back? And then... Phaleg. No? I'm lost? Here? Don't say that. What? No. Oh yeah, Mercury too? Here? Oh. Yeah, it was here. Those kids, that doesn't hurt, right? Oh, it does. Holy sh... Oh, my wrist is better. Maybe I can start doing art streams again. But... maybe not. Because I gotta take art at a slow pace. I don't want to bust up my hand again.
Everything is going according to plan, sheltered in the womb.
But it's not done yet. Half the soul is lost. That is why the seed lies dormant.
And what soul remains captured in that husk is buried deep down in the subconscious.
Are you trying to say it won't work? That wasn't our agreement.
No, these are just stalling tactics. If we lend a hand, we will be able to get power. Never fear, the promise shall not be broken.
But the power we could draw now will be very weak. Almost nothing. Unless we get the other half of the soul.
We'll use a magical spell. Feeling this child's pain, it's sure to come.
But that will take time.
Huh. So, what does that mean? Disco Ouroboros. Alyssa. Okay. Yeah, as long as I don't broke myself. Yeah. I fear if I stream art, I will be compelled to constantly be doing it versus if I'm doing art while watching a stream, just like taking my time. Well, oh, okay. Was I just not touching it? That's funny. Picarto streams win? Wait, am I missing one thing? Say psych. Say psych right now. I guess there's the huge sword indent. I must have missed the room. Oh. Must be in this area. Not this one. Oh, is it in here, maybe? No. We still have that ring of contract. What's in my inventory? I have the camera and the ring. I don't think that has anything. We watched the tape. Ah, okay, we hadn't been in this room. So there's probably just a sword in here. Oh, yeah. What? The chain is missing a link. Okay, that's horrifying. Oh, ammo? It's just being in the middle of the room is... Oh! Harry? What? Uh That's the first time there's been like a non-standard game over, right? Or am I just so gamer I missed the rest of them? Huh. That's totally how chains work, yep. Harry just welded them. Or something. I don't remember Melchior. I guess that's something in the Judeo-Christian tradition? Elliptical talisman. That one dude from Chrono Trigger? Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. Game, be quiet.
No! No! I don't want to! Do what Mommy tells you now. I just want you to lend me a teeny bit of your power. That's all. No! I don't want to do it! It will make everyone happy, and it's for your own good, too. Oh, but Mommy, I just want to be with you. Just two of us. Please understand. Oh, yes.
You gained enough
I
religion.
see. Maybe Mommy has been wrong. Mommy! Why didn't I see this before? There's no reason to wait. Herein lies the mother's womb, containing the power to create life.
Even in the past, she didn't wear any shoes.
I could have done it all myself. Mommy?
I'm a real. I thought that was gonna be the final boss. Tummy? Yes? Hello. Oh my god, gun?
To realize the talisman of Metatron was being used. In spite of the lost soul returning at last. Just a little longer and all would have been for naught. It's all because of that man. We must be thankful to him. Even though Alessa has been stopped, his little girl has to go. What a pity.
Freeze!
Oh! Oh my god, the AT field.
Name?
Dahlia.
Well, well, well. To think you'd make it this far.
That man.
Where's Cheryl? What have you done to her?
What are you talking about? You've seen her many times, restored to her former self.
I'm in no mood for jokes.
Don't you see? She's right
That's absurd.
You are the only one who thinks so.
Why? Why are you doing this?
It's been a long 7 years. For the 7 years since that terrible day, Alessa has been kept alive
Oh my god.
and suffering a fate worse than death.
That's fucked up, lady.
Alessa has been trapped in an endless nightmare from which she never awakens.
Oh my god.
He has been nurtured by that nightmare, waiting for the day to be born.
Are we gonna shoot the
That
devil?
day has finally come. The time is nigh. Everyone will be released from pain and suffering. Our salvation is at hand. This is the day of reckoning, when all our sorrows will be washed away. When we return to the true paradise. My daughter will be the mother of God.
Oh. Do we... Oh! Eat shit. Kaufman?
Quit screwing around. Return things to how they were before.
Kaufman!
Did I ask for this?
Probably.
Nobody uses me. You won't get away with this.
Your role is over. We don't need you anymore. What do you think you could accomplish by coming here?
Shooting you?
My, aren't we getting cocky? Bet you can't see this.
Hey, that's the thing we got.
I thought I got rid of that.
All I had to do was plant it somewhere for you to find. You all, well,
Oh,
kept you busy.
that thing we did on Jibble. Jibble?
You're
Sybil.
easy. And there's more where this came from.
Stop it!
We used that on the God? Is that what that is? Oh. Their Patara fusion.
Huh? What the?
This is where you're meant to figure out these on Sybil, basically. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's getting rid of the worm. Me starting the stream with SMT battle music was more prophetic than I thought. Oh my god! Nah, hey there, the liar. How you liking fucking hell? Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, ooh. No, you forgot one thing, Coach, you. The 308, rifle in my hands. Oh, I should have healed. I hope there's a skip cutscene button. Dying to the final boss is the first time. There is a skip cutscene button. Oh, skip to everything. No, what? Oh, woohoo! What? Oh. There's a really strange intended failsafe with this boss that the speedrun exploits. Oh, what is that? Gotta fiddle the dial to tune the devil in? It does kind of sound like that. I must have started with low health. Or devil lightning is just that powerful. We just hear the cock. Oh, if you're in the arena with no animal, the boss will just die. Wow, I was... Huh. I meant to hit reload. Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay, I get 5. What? How do you dodge that? Harry? Oh! Should I use the ampules? Please, let me dodge it. Yeah, you think I could just put ammo on? Well, I guess... Oh, I did it! You got a zig. I was zagging when I should have zigged. Yeah, I'm a gamer. I don't do good much anymore, but... Actually, let's not get greedy. Let's not get greedy. Pass away, pass on. Okay, whew. Perish. So I'm all kind of down with it. Can I do the Pod Crazy emote myself?
Daddy.
That hurts my neck. Yeah, just about 8 hours. Amazing game. Uh, that's making me dizzy. Oh, a baby. Wait, is that God? Delilah said her daughter would be the mother of God. If you don't save Kaufman, you fight Angel Alyssa instead. It doesn't matter if you save Sybil. Oh. So was our daughter dead the whole time? Or was she just... Oh, Sybil! Convenient time to wake up. There's some ending scenes different, but Kaufman changes what you get. Our daughter was Alessa. Oh! Oh, Kaufman. Oh, Lisa. That seems to be the implication, Gamma Chris. That's what I got from it. Lisa getting her revenge. Bye-bye. Sybil? That's it? Oh my god. That was an amazing game. Holy. Oh, Toyama. He did Siren, yeah? I'm glad to have finally played that. That was an amazing game. Enemy programmer. That's funny. You mix up your programmers. Siren and Gravity Rush? Yeah, those are all amazing games. Is Gravity Rush on anything other than the PSP? Yeah, they lived happily ever after, and there was never a Silent Hill 2, 3, or 4. Or 6. Oh, Masahiro Ito. Doesn't he hate that he made? Isn't that the guy, the art person? PS4? Maybe I'll get around to that one day. Man, what a game. Oh, Akira Yamaoka. AKT. Words. Congrats on obliterating Silent Hill. Naoka Sato is a major Siren person too. I gotta finish watching Super Girlfriend play Siren 2. Staffs. Harry Inaba. Latina International Corporation? Oh, yeah. She did the monster designs for this? And then wrote Siren 1, 2, and Gravity Rush? Huh. I mean, that's quite a pedigree. $19.99, huh? Good game. I'm glad to have beaten it. Nah. That gotta be there, because it's, their real names. Oh my god! Huh. What? Are these bloopers? Are these bloopers? Video game bloopers are amazing. Okay, good. Oh my god. I mean... Yeah. Hey, you say what I was thinking. Normal. Ending good plus. 33 saves, 5 continues. Walking distance, running distance. Woo! 150? Defeated enemies by fighting. Shooting style. No aiming shots. You rank 1 6 stars? Huh. Yeah, okay, I'm safe. Normal moment. Next fear? Scary. Huh. Well, now we know who that is. Oh, wait, did they spoil this in the intro, or is it just because I beat the game? I'll leave this on for a little bit while I figure out who to raid. And also live. Neanders is on. SH1 and Silent Hill 2 are big spoilers in the intro. I kind of get doing that, because then when you see it again, you can like go, oh, you can't get the good ending if you do this, but if you kill Dr. Kaufman, you get the Kauf Cannon, which is strong against immune deficiency. Okay. Oh, thank you for watching, Washa. I appreciate it. Oh, what? Clavio's streaming? What the hell? What? We're going there. 20 people all went live at the same time just now? I don't ever get to catch a Clavio stream. I've never rated her before, so... Clavio. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. This game was amazing. Holy shit. Oh, thank you. Have a good night, everybody. Or day, or morning, or whatever. Yeah. Next stream for me will be Thursday. Probably this time. Probably, I don't know, though. Yeah, no problem. We'll just go right now. Bye-bye.
Awake when he streams, but I do go through like all of his videos. Ilya, hello, Ilya, hello, welcome. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, everybody. Hello, Lily. Hi. How's it going? How was Tanuki Tuesday? How'd it go? Let me give you the real shout out, the big gamer shout out, the Twitch shout out for my moderator because she deserves it. You guys better go follow Ilya. She's a great moderator. She's a great friend. She's a great streamer. Go watch her right now. And she's also extremely strong and will suplex you into the ground if you don't follow her. Go do it right now. Hello, newer D Studio.